Well, welcome to Tech Night. I'm Steve Glattus. This is Dean McIntyre, the Dean of Technology, the Mick Jagger of Technology. We're going to talk about installing a program tonight that you can use to upload your video to YouTube. Dean, tell us a little bit about how you found this program tonight after I couldn't find anything that worked.
Well, I'm glad you asked.
Yeah, I figured you were. Yeah.
So I'm sure a lot of people out there have gotten cameras, and the way they're recording is they probably have an application that came with the camera that records. But of course, the camera that we got didn't have an application to record videos.
Because we got the cheap one.
Yeah. So we had to find one, which wasn't as easy as I thought it would be initially. I found a lot of programs on the internet before, but it's a matter of figuring out what to look up. And so we tried I guess video recorder and webcam recorder, and that didn't seem to work. That got us some programs that seemed to
not work.
Yeah, some of them did nothing at all, and others of them just recorded the actual computer screen itself. Mm-hmm. So actually, the search that we did was on webcam capture and video capture, because it's actually capturing the image off of the screen. So,
and you did that in CNET, right?
Yeah, well, actually, it's a site, download or downloads.com. Either one will work, as it turns out. And it's owned by CNET, and you can do an advanced search, and you can actually find a free program, which is because we didn't really want to pay for it.
There we go.
Yeah,
zero. Cheap was the call word here. Yeah.
So we did search on video capture and on free. That's the type of license that it was. You can get trial free to try and free and pay for or whatever. So we found the free program, and the name of the program, since you asked, is Stoik, S-T-O-I-K, Capturer.
You have to take a lot of pain.
Yeah. So
S-T-O-I-C-Q-U-E or?
It's K.
Okay.
All right. So it works really pretty well. We actually got another program that worked too, but they wanted money for it, so we eliminated that.
Eliminate the ones that want money. We want the free stuff.
Anyway, so that's how we found the program.
And you might want to talk a little bit about, because we downloaded about 6 or 7 programs, why you got rid of all those programs.
Oh yeah, the other thing is, whenever you're looking for a program on the internet that does something and you don't really know, there's not like a popular program that does it, or you don't know the name of it, you have to search through all these programs, and there may be literally hundreds of the things. Mm-hmm. So what we started to do was we started downloading. We'd install. It wouldn't work. We download another one. It wouldn't work.
Especially the ones I downloaded.
Yeah.
Nothing worked.
Yeah. So we continually did that till we found one that we wanted. But what we did is we went back to we're using a Windows machine, and so we went back to the control panel, add remove programs, and went back and systematically removed all the excess ones, not the one that worked, but every other one,
right,
and to clean up the system. And so when you have extra programs on there, it can cause problems and conflicts and stuff.
They can actually capture your program, right?
Right, yeah, actually, one of the programs, the one you downloaded.
Yeah, right. We won't give the name of that.
Yeah. It actually, the program we're using now, it actually started to start that program up to capture from it, because Stoik Capturer will actually capture from programs like MSN Messenger when you're using video conferencing on it. So if you want to record MSN Messenger, you can actually use Stoik Capturer to capture that.
So it kind of hijacks the program.
Yeah.
Sort of.
Sort of, a fun way.
Yeah, with no ransom asked for. Also, all you did is, and then you might want to talk about why you use WMV as opposed to AVI files.
Oh yeah, once we started up the program, you got to select, of course, the camera you're using, or the source, the video source. We did that. Then we switched over from AVI to WMV.
Windows Media Viewer.
Yeah.
Media Viewer.
Video. Yeah, it's the Windows Media Viewer views these files, and they're compressed. AVI isn't compressed, and so it looks like the files are about the third of the size.
And that's significant.
Yeah, that is significant. And once we select that, then we select the file name to capture to, and on this particular program, we just hit record. Mm-hmm. Some of the programs that capture video actually say start capture, end capture, which is a little bit confusing.
That's good to know. So basically, go to downloads, download the program. It's called Stoik.
Yes.
S-T-O-I-K.
S-T-O-I-K.
S-T-O-I-K. and you're off and running.
Right.
Tune in next week when we tackle a new problem with Tech Night. This is Dean McIntyre, the Dean of Technology, and Steve Glattus, thanking you very much for tuning in. See you later.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.